Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The second feature we will talk about is constructor property promotion in PHP 8.0. Let's have an example on it. Let's try to type class user. This user should have some properties like maybe protected, protected name, right? Maybe protected email, right? And it should have a constructor, right? But without this protected, right? Before PHP 8 we will do something like this, right? And to print this out and test it, let's try to add to string function. This is a magic function, and by this function we will print both the name and the email, right? So if we have like an object of this class, let's provide the email like test.com, and we will echo user, right? So when we echo the user, or when we deal with the object as if it's a string, this function will be called dynamically. So let's save and try to run this script php 8.php. As we can see, we have the name and the email printed out. So what's new in PHP 8 is that you can add a modifier here, like the protected we provided. So this can be protected to the constructor argument. This can be protected or public or private, right? So let's add it before the argument, and let's remove those properties, and we don't use this as well. So with PHP 8, adding a modifier to the constructor argument promotes it to be an object property, and when we pass a value to the constructor, it will be assigned as a value for the property. When you add just this modifier, PHP interpreter will deal with it as both, as if it's a constructor argument as well as class or object property, and assign the value we are passing to this property, right? So the benefit of this is it provides maybe less boilerplate code. It's like a short way of writing our code, and the constructor body here could be empty, could be any other logic. We can also mix the constructor argument between like argument with modifiers and other argument, like we could have int like something like this. We don't want to be a property in the object, right? So we can have mix of both still. But yeah, let's try to test this code. And yeah, it worked as expected as well. If you didn't use it before, try to use it. It's very simple, and will make the code more clean and more short syntax as well. This is for today. Stay tuned and subscribe for more features and more other videos. Have a good day. Bye.